Ever needed to know exactly how many days are between two crucial dates? Whether you're tracking project deadlines, managing invoices, or planning an event, accurately calculating days between dates in Excel is a game-changer for keeping everything on track and your sanity intact. Let's dive in and see how simple it is to master this essential Excel skill. First, you'll need your two dates in separate cells within your Excel sheet. Let's say your start date is in cell A2 and your end date is in cell B2. Now, to calculate the number of days, we'll use a powerful Excel function. Click on the cell where you want the answer to appear. In the formula bar, type the equals sign to begin your formula. Then, type the letters DATEDIF, followed by an opening parenthesis. Next, click on the cell that contains your earlier date, or your start date. Follow that with a comma. Now, click on the cell with your later date, or your end date. Add another comma. Finally, type the letter D enclosed in quotation marks. This tells Excel you want to calculate the result in days. Close the parenthesis to complete the function. Your formula should now look something like this. Press enter, and voila! Excel instantly shows you the precise number of days between your two chosen dates. You can then easily copy this formula down for any other date pairs you have, making it incredibly efficient for analyzing multiple timelines. This simple yet effective method is invaluable for anyone working with dates in Excel, streamlining your scheduling and data analysis like never before.